Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I let you know in regards to the search engine wars we speak about on the channel, that Microsoft really doesn't want you using Google search. And that's because when using Bing and searching for Google, if I just head over to that previous video, you'll now be greeted with a URL looking very similar to Google's. And a couple of days later, Google actually responded to this over on X saying, "New year, new low." So they weren't very happy. And I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more info. So as you can see, looking very similar to Google search. So obviously Microsoft trying to trick you into thinking that this is Google search. And for a not so tech savvy person, I don't think they would even know the difference. So quite a bit of a cheeky move, as I would say, by Microsoft. Now, just to let you know that it seems now that Microsoft has backtracked once again and has rolled back the change. Because now, if I do a search on Bing, you're saying, and searching for Google, we can see that it now opens a kind of regular list of search results. But at the top, you now see another search bar. So it doesn't look as googly, so to speak, as the previous one. But still, there's a search bar. It does say powered by Microsoft. It looks like you can dismiss the option. But the tricky thing with this is obviously it's the first thing you see. And your attention is automatically drawn to this search bar. So although it doesn't look as bad as the previous one, I still think this is a little bit cheeky. So once again, the search engine wars continue, and it still looks like, although they have backtracked from this to this, it still looks like Microsoft is wanting you not to use the Google search and obviously get your search results through Google, but obviously they are trying to pull you into using Microsoft Bing, and that's just another continuation of the so-called search engine wars that we talk about on the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.